Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea and in today's video we're going to do a big makeup haul. So these deals I feel like have been going on for ages, but yeah, I'm just going to jump straight into it because I've got 25 minutes until I have to leave for work and I've got a lot of stuff to go through. I've also got last month's budget box from P. Louise, lovely items that have been sent from brands. Yes, the things that I've bought recently. So if you want to see what I got, then please stay tuned. So, first things first, let's go through the Sephora haul. I did picked up the Huda Beauty blush filter palette and I got this one in the shade Toasty Peach. I really liked the shades of all of them and I found it really hard to choose. So if I like this formula, then I'm definitely going to go and purchase the other ones because they are limited edition. Just look at that, they look beautiful and I really do love the highlighter shade. It's so cold in here, look. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm constantly blowing out smoke. Yeah, I just think all of these shades combined, but that shade there is literally calling my name. So I'm so excited to film with that. I got a free Road Glazing Milk sample as well. I do want to purchase that now that it's at Sephora. Then I picked up this gift set. So this would be a really good Christmas idea. So this is the Fenty Beauty Glow and Extra 2-piece lip set. Comes with a traced out pencil lip liner and a gloss bomb stick. And I've not tried any of the Fenty lip products other than the lip glosses and lip oils, but I've not got any of the lip liners or the gloss sticks and I really wanted to try them and I thought this was a good way to try them. So these are the shades. So that's the lip liner shade, which is really a bit of me and it feels dead creamy as well. And then this is the gloss bomb shade, so just a really nice brownie peachy nude, and that will go perfectly with this lip liner. And then I got this Rare Beauty gift set. Again, I thought it was really good. So this is a soft pinch cheek and lip trio. It comes with a tinted lip oil, a dewy liquid blush and a matte bouncy blush. And again, I've not tried the matte bouncy blush or the lip oil. Obviously I've tried the blushes. So we've got the lip oil in Worth. And look how cute that is as well. That is perfect handbag material. We've got the matching blush shade in Worth as well. And then, oh, also the matte bouncy blush is in called Worth. So if you haven't got those shades, then it's a really good way to try it. So I just tried to wipe that lip liner off from Fenty. And it is not coming off. I am scrubbing. So that looks like it'll be a really good lip liner. And then my partner actually brought me this for Christmas but ended up giving it to me early because I accidentally opened the parcel. But I got this Vive gift set. So this comes with the prep and set pairs. So it's the travel size Super Skin Nova and the Invisiveil setting spray. And again, another really good gift idea for Christmas. I wanted to really try this product here. So the Super Skin Nova Moisture Rich Primer. I heard a lot of good things about this and I do like the setting spray as well. Oh, it's got a really luxurious texture to it. It smells nice, like it smells expensive. Vive have also got some really good gift sets at the moment. And this was a splurge, but I just could not resist. I had my eye on it for ages and I got the new Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 7 Freedom palette. It's very well packaged, but I'm not surprised because it's probably my most expensive palette that I own. Oh no, one of the pans just literally just fell out. Oh. Right. Oh no. It's literally just come out of the actual eyeshadow pan. Like not even the magnetic bit, it's come off the magnet. Oh no, now it's crumbling. Let me just drop that in there. Oh no. I was just saying how expensive this palette is. I feel like I could cry. Why has that just come out of there? So this is the palette. I don't want to lift it up in case more shades just fall out. Because it's so soft. That's a broken shade now. It's like still packaged up. Do you know what I mean? I've not even used it. That's so annoying. Right, I've messaged the Danessa Myricks beauty team to see what they would recommend about that. Let me just put that on. I'm just going to have to be extra careful with it. That's literally so annoying. I've not had that before for Danessa Myricks. I kindly got sent stuff from Urban Decay, which is absolutely so exciting. So I received the All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and I absolutely love the All Nighter Setting Spray, but the fact that this is the Ultra Matte one, I'm buzzing about that. And then I also received the Urban Decay Naked Foxy eyeshadow palette, which I've not heard of before, but it looks like it's up my street with the shades. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Oh, this actually looks really nice. That shade there looks so glittery. So I'm really happy about that. I'm looking forward to creating some videos for that. I also received from Jackie O'Luck a few items. So I got the microfiber sponge triangle puff. So this is a pack of 2, and they look like they're quite cushiony, which is good. And then also their marshmallow makeup sponge, which is latex free, ultra soft for a flawless finish. And it's a brown one, which is good because I hate it when they get mucky. So let me just feel this. That does feel very soft, to be fair. So I bet it'll be nice as soon as I wet it. And it's got a nice embossed logo in there. And then I got sent another one of the NYX the brow glue, which I'm really grateful for because this is my favourite brow gel. This is definitely going in my 2025 favourites because I've even got it on today. I use it every day. It just works all day and it's just really good. Then we finally got Troublemaker and MCO Beauty in my local Superdrug. So I picked up a few more things from Troublemaker. So I really wanted a baked bronzer, but I feel like I got the wrong shade. So this is called the Overcooked Baked Bronzer with Hyaluronic. And yeah, it's too dark for me, to be fair. So it looks like it would be quite a nice formula, and it's literally cheap as chips, so I might just go back and get another one. But I got this blush, so this is the Cheeky Baked blusher with hyaluronic, and this is in the shade Cake Mix, and it's what I've got on today, and it's got a gorgeous sheen to it. It's just such a beautiful baby pink blush with a little bit of a sheen. So yeah, I do like that. And then I bought a new multitasker turbocharger glow liquid illuminator from Rimmel, and this is called Main Character. I thought the red one would be absolutely stunning for like this season, like a really cold red blush. I absolutely love that. And then Rimmel kindly sent me 3 more. So I've got Not a Basic B, which is like the pinky shade. And you can see the glow in that. Then I've got like a bronzy shade, which is called Spilling the Tea. And then I also got the liquid illuminator called Chelsea Glow, so I feel like it's meant to be. So love all those. I did also pick up the Cosmic Brushes Starlight Society collection. I've seen that they're launching the new Christmas collection, which I thought this was the Christmas collection, I can't lie. But the new Christmas one called Death Tarot, I think it's called Death Tarot, which follows on from the Lovers palette, which was out in February. Looks stunning. Definitely going to buy it. I feel like I collect cosmic brushes at this point because they're just consistently good. Love the colour stories, and you know you're going to get that really nice sparkle to it. But this I thought looked beautiful, and this really reminded me of Akatar, like Valeris, I think I want to say, the nighttime core, and I just had to have it. And I think this chest is just so beautiful. So open it up. You've probably seen this all over your For You page, but you've got the highlighter trio, and this is the Astral Radiance highlighter trio. And just look at those gorgeous shades. Just look at those gorgeous shades. So you've got like a bronzy shade, one that's got like a blue shift, and then a pale shade. And I brought the, I want to say the highlight trio that came out with the Ice Cream Delights palette or something, and I thought that was, I've used that highlighter palette so much. So once you've done that, then you've got the lip products. So we've got 4 metallic gel liners, which I will do a full video on this. You have 2 liquid lipsticks, 2 tinted lip oils, which I love a lip oil. I was more drawn to the lip oils than what I was the liquid lipsticks. And then in the bottom tray, the main star of the show is the palettes. And I'm pretty sure now that they're selling the palette as a single, so you don't need to buy the whole box, the whole collection to get it. And they are so affordable, but I just love the packaging of these palettes. Open it up, this is the colour story. So you've got some pastels, you've got some jewel tones, some duochromes, cool shades, warmer shades, and yeah, I just really want to do like a proper nighttime look with this, like I'm in the nighttime court. if you've read Akata. I received this amazing PR box from Garnier and in collaboration with Wicked for Good. I would open it up on video, but everything just falls out. So inside it came with three full-size micellar waters, which are holy grail. So we've got the oil long-lasting micellar water, which that's probably my favourite one because it does get rid of stubborn makeup. The OG, the sensitive pink one, and then also the green combination and oily skin one, which I know I'm going to get good use out of those because I love me a micellar water. And then they also had a drawer, and it came with a smaller micellar water, which I've got in my drawer upstairs, and also some micellar reusable eco pads, which I actually really like using eco pads now for taking off my makeup. I never used to be an eco pad girl. And then last but not least, we've got P. Louise, the budget box from last month that I received earlier this month. And I feel like this one should have been for September. But inside you got a hand cream in spiced maple, quite a large hand cream. So how much do you get in here? 50 grams. Quite a big one. It's got the keychain if you want to put that on a keychain, but I feel like that's too big for your keychain. And then it comes with Fireside pencil trio, so 3 of the eyeliner pencils in Maple Drip, Get Toasty and Would Be Mine. So there's the shades there if you can see there. So like an orangey and then 2 browns. Again, I will do a full video on this collection. And then we got 3 of the Smitten sticks. So these are cream blush sticks. So Harvest Blush, Cozy Season and Fallen for You. So these are going to be quite autumnal brownie tones, I think. Brownie, orangey, peachy tones. And then this palette is what I'm most excited for. And I'm pretty sure as I'm filming this, you can still buy the palette. I think it's £40 on the P. Louise website. It's other than that, but even the packaging is so nice. So this is my Forever Full palette. So this is what the palette looks like, and it is just absolutely beautiful. So you've got all your eyeshadows down here. So we've got the green tones, the orangey, brownie tones, and then you've got 4 highlighter shades. So this is for a palette for your eye and face. And then it just looks so sparkly. I love P. Louise formulas. So this is probably my favourite autumnal palette. Even though we're going to winter season now, I still want to create some looks out of that. Just been a bit busy, just been a bit delayed, that's all. And I'm pretty sure that is everything that I've got recently. So within the past month or so, some really, really good gift ideas within this haul as well. If you want to purchase for someone who is a makeup, skincare kind of lover, beauty lover. But yeah, really, really happy with all my purchases. I have made a few more purchases within the Black Friday sales. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in the next one. Bye! Enjoy.